Hello everyone. If you are a doctor in India looking to advance your career overseas, this video will help you discover the top 5 countries that offer great opportunities, salaries and lifestyle benefits for Indian doctors. First, Australia. Australia is considered one of the best countries for healthcare professionals to migrate to. With its modern infrastructure, stable economy and welcoming visa policies, Australia is an ideal destination for Indian doctors. But why choose Australia? Australia is renowned for high quality healthcare and offers generous immigration policies, making it easier for foreign trained doctors to secure permanent residency. The country's medical system is globally respected, offering great career prospects, competitive salaries, and the opportunity to work alongside world-class professionals. Average salaries for doctors in Australia overall is $1,75,000 per year to $90 per hour. Entry level $1,33,000 per year, and experienced would get up to $2,53,000 per year. The top 5 highest paying cities in Australia is Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide. Second is Ireland. Ireland is a fantastic choice for Indian doctors due to its welcoming culture, strong economy and high quality healthcare system. But why choose Ireland? The Irish healthcare system is consistently ranked among the best globally, offering a rewarding work environment for skilled doctors. With excellent career progression, opportunities and a high standard of living, Ireland is an attractive option for Indian medical professionals. Average salary for doctors in Ireland is €92,000 per year, which is highly competitive. The top 5 highest paying cities in Ireland is Dublin, Cork, Galway, Limerick, Waterford. Third, Germany. Germany has an impressive healthcare system and offers a favorable work environment for Indian doctors with well-defined pathways to secure employment and residence. But why choose Germany? Germany is known for its efficient healthcare, high standards of care and respect for medical professionals. The Opportunity Card and Germany's work visa policies support a smoother migration process for healthcare professionals. Average salary for doctors in Germany €84,000 per year, with more experienced doctors earning higher wages. The top 5 highest paying cities in Germany: number 1 is Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt, Stuttgart. Fourth, Canada. Canada is known for its diverse, inclusive society and offers Indian doctors an excellent work-life balance, high quality of life and competitive pay. But why choose Canada? The Canadian healthcare system provides rewarding opportunities for medical professionals and has established pathways for immigration. Canada's emphasis on family well-being and high living standards makes it a great choice. Average salary for doctors in Canada: Canadian dollars $1,50,000 per year. Top 5 highest paying cities in Canada are Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, Montreal, Ottawa. If you are looking to work or settle abroad, start with a free eligibility check and personalized consultation to find your best options. Click the link in the description or the pinned comments below. That's our list of the top 5 countries for the Indian doctors looking to work abroad. Each of these countries offers unique benefits, from excellent job prospects to high salaries and supportive communities. If you are considering a medical career overseas, these destinations should be at the top of your list. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more insights on careers abroad. I'll see you in the next video.